In this video I'll show you how to fold down the rear seats of your Mercedes Benz ML from 2006 to 2011. Now most people will reach on the corner, but actually you need to go down, and you see there's a small loop. It's very subtle there. Put your finger through it and then pull on it. The seat cushion will lift and will stay in vertical mode, just like that. Then you need to pull on the latch that is on the top corner of the backrest, and you're gonna have a flat floor this way. If the cargo cover is in the way, you just have to pull slightly on it to detach one side and then remove it completely. Same thing on the other side. You need to first put the seat cushion in vertical mode. On the other side you're gonna have a loop as well, and then the backrest. To put everything back the way it was, simply slam the backrest and then simply put it this way, and you are done. Thanks for watching. Please share any tips that you have about your Mercedes Benz ML. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read it in the comments down below. If not, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.